Good morning, children. How are you? Okay, today we are going to learn a new lesson from EVS. The name of our lesson is Our Home. Now let's all of us learn about this lesson. We live in different kinds of houses with our parents and other family members. This is our home. Some houses are big and with many rooms. Some are small and have one, two, or three rooms. In this chapter, let us learn about different kinds of houses. Now, here it is given two types of houses. One is Kacha house and another is Pakka house. Now, let's see what is a Kacha house. People live in different kinds of houses. Some are built with mud, wood and straw. These are called Kacha houses. So, what is a Kacha house? Houses which are built with mud, wood and straw are known as Kacha houses. Here is an example of Kacha house. This is a Kacha house. They are mostly found in villages. They have thatched roofs made with wood, straw and hay. These houses are not very strong. Okay, now you understood what is a Kacha house. Now let's see next one. It is Pakka house. People in towns and cities mostly live in Pakka houses. These are made with brick, steel and cement. They are much stronger than the Kacha houses. They are also found in villages. Now, let's see how many types of Pakka houses are there. Pakka houses can be of many kinds. Bungalows or multi-storied buildings. A bungalow is a house that has only one or two floors. It has many rooms and a small garden. So this is an example of bungalow. It has one or two floors and have many rooms, and along with that it has small garden also. Now let's see about multi-story building. A multi-storied building has many floors and each floor has houses or flats in which people live. This is a example of multi-storied building. Okay. Now let's see what next. Skyscrapers are also multi-storied buildings, but they are so tall that it seems as if they are touching the sky. Now, let's see some other kinds of homes. Other than the Pakka and the Kacha houses, there are some special types of homes that can be found in different parts of the world. Okay. Now, first one, let's see igloo. This is an igloo. This is made of what? This is made of snow. Now, let's see where it is found. In the Arctic region, people live in houses made from blocks of ice. Arctic region is what? A very cold place. Okay. In that place, every time you will find snowfall, and there people build an igloo with blocks of ice, and there they stay. These are called igloos. They are only found in places which remain covered in snow throughout the year. Igloos are built by placing blocks of ice on one on top of another. So here this is an igloo, how it is built, see. Now next we'll see stilted houses. In places where it rains a lot, people live in houses on 4 or more poles called stilts. See, this is an example of stilted house. This house is standing on the 4 poles, isn't it? Now let's see, this prevents water from getting inside the house. These are called stilted house. The next one, let's see, temporary or movable houses. Tents and caravans are temporary or movable homes. People living in them often move from one place to another. Okay, these are movable houses like tents and caravans. There people move from one place to another and they put their tent and stay there. They don't live in one place. Okay. Now let's see. Next one is houseboats. Have you seen houseboats? Where you have seen? I think you have seen in Kashmir. In places like Kashmir, people live in houseboats on lakes. Houseboats are houses that have been built on boats. Travelers can visit Kashmir and stay on these houseboats too. So children, we have learned up to this today. You read this chapter, listen this video, okay, and learn this chapter. Next day I will ask you some question from this. Okay, thank you.